This Century 21 Premier Realtors property video is presented by Robert Herrings Jr. T's 4-bedroom, 2-bath home is situated in a neighborhood that is close to all the shopping districts of Killeen and Harker Heights. This home features an open kitchen, granite countertops, and breakfast bar with a fully open floor plan. Wood flooring in the foyer, living room and hallway. Carpet flooring in all bedrooms, bay window dining area, living room with fireplace, master bath with separate tub and shower, double vanities, walk-in closet, large laundry room, covered porch and patio, and wood privacy fence. A must-see to appreciate. For more information, review the details below or contact Robert Herrings Jr. at 254 547 9991.